My colleague Mehendi Garg has filed a ground report from the Hindon base in Ghaziabad, where Sheikh Hasina continues to take shelter. Have a look.
Amid massive protests, Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina was forced to fly out of her country with her sister, and she has taken a refuge in India, and she is in India right now. But I would like to tell all the viewers that this is not the first time that Sheikh Hasina, along with her family members, who has taken refuge in India, because right now we are present here at the Pandara Road. You can see the visuals from here. It is the Pandara market, and it has been said that earlier in some years, Sheikh Hasina, along with her family, has stayed on this roads, some house in this Pandara's market also. And the story behind it is very interesting also, because this right now, this is not only the first time that when Hasina has came into a trouble, because in 1975 some riots happened and a massacre happened, and Hasina has to take exile in India. And you know what happened in 1975 was that Sheikh Hasina's father, Banga Bandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the founding father of Bangladesh, also was brutally assassinated along with the 18 members of her family. And after that, Hasina was left with no choice. She had to flew out of her country, and she has taken a refuge in India, and she came to India. First, we also like to tell you that first she stayed in the Lajpat Nagar's Ring Road, and after that she was shifted to this Pandara Road near the Pandara market. In any of one of these houses, Sheikh Hasina, along with her husband, her sister and her 2 children, stayed here. So yes, this was not a first time that when Sheikh Hasina has flown out from her country and taken a refuge here. And under the leadership of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, India extended a helping hand to Sheikh Hasina at that time also, and she took a refuge here along with the family members also, because a great threat was there to her family members, because a big massacre and a big protests were happening in the time of 1975 against her and her family also. So from 1975 to 1981, Sheikh Hasina, along with her family members, took exile in India, and she stayed here for almost 6 years. And after that, when situations got under control, she flew back to Bangladesh. So yes, this is not the very first time when Bangladesh's Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has came here. And if we talk about the present situations right now, then the situations in Bangladesh are very critical, because the civil war has started, and Bangladesh's PM has flown off from there, and right now she's here in India. But there is, still questions remains that whether she will move to UK, because no such clearance has yet came from UK for her, presence there. So big meetings are happening in India also, and NSA Ajit Doval has also, according to the sources, has met Sheikh Hasina yesterday, and India can also clear their stand on this Sheikh Hasina's shelter or exile in India today, and what will be her next stop, and where will be she taking shelter is also a big question right now. But all these things will be cleared very soon. But this is a very historical place in Delhi, because between 1975 to 1981, Sheikh Hasina took exile in India because of the massacre and the big protests that were happening because of his father, against his father and all her family members. So this is the Pandara Road where Sheikh Hasina stayed for 6 years. With camera person Avdesh, I'm Mehendi Garg for News X.
For more such videos, subscribe to the News X YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.